this video, we are going to be downloading and installing Visual Studio Code on Windows 11. First, open up your browser, go to google.com and type Visual Studio Code and press enter. Go to the first link where it says Visual Studio Code, Code Editing Redefined. When you're on this page, you have the option to download for different OS like Mac, Windows and Linux. I will keep on Windows and click on download for Windows. And my download will begin. Wait for the download to get finished. After your download is finished, open the folder that your file got downloaded to. I can confirm this is the installer that just got downloaded. Click on the file 2 times. Click on I accept the agreement. Click on next. Now you have the option to select the folder that your Visual Studio Code will be installed on. I will keep it as default, but if you want to change the folder, click on browse and select the folder that you want your file to get installed on. I will not do that for now. I'll keep it as default. Click on next. I also have the option to select the start menu folder and browse to a different location. I'll not do that for now. I'll just keep it as default and click on next. I'll create a desktop icon, that's why I'm checking this box. Keep the others as default and click on next. Click on install and your installation will begin. Wait for the installation to get complete. After your installation is finished, keep it checked and click on finish. It means your Visual Studio Code will start right now. From here, you have the option to select different color themes you want. I'll keep on dark high contrast. And if you go to the left side and scroll down, you will see next section and mark done. Click on next section, click on next section, and finally click on mark done. If you want to create a new file, just click on new file. If you want to open a particular file, click on open file. And if you want to select a folder, click on open folder. Choose the folder that you want. I'm choosing desktop. Click on select folder. And now if I want to create a file in this folder, I'll just click on here, which is new file. Name it whatever you want. I'll call it file.py. Click on enter. And my file has been created. And I can even confirm in my desktop that this is the file that has been created. So that is how you download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching the video.